Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Telegram's not sending the confirmation codes to your device. This is very annoying and I found a way how we can fix this. Alright, first go to settings on your iPhone and then from there tap on general. Then go to iPhone storage and from here please scroll down to Telegram. Then just right here tap on offload app again, and then go to the App Store to download Telegram again. Tap on download. Alright, now please open the Telegram Messenger and start messaging. Tap on that. And from here we have to log in again. Tap on continue. And I have the 2FA option enabled, so that means that if I fill in my passwords just right now that we are in. So if you can see, we just logged in, and that is just because of the 2FA. If you have not enabled that already, please do that so you can see that you not always need your phone or that codes to log into your profile. If you have not 2FA, then the code will send to your messenger on your iPhone, and now then it definitely will work. Alright, if it's still not working, please let me know in the comments. Maybe I can help you with it. And otherwise, if you found this video helpful, please give this a like, subscribe, and then for now, thanks for watching.